In today's video, guys, I will be showing to you a new Ethereum printer that is just only into this project, and this is called Ethereum printer by Moneyprinter Finance. So I've made a video before about their BUSD printer, and now they are adding BNB printer and also USDT printer, and also their latest is Ethereum printer. So here you will be able to start earning up to 6% daily on your Ethereum investment, okay? So again, this is not a financial advice, guys. Also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel for more daily updates like this, and let's just jump right into it. Okay, so for you to be able to start on Ethereum printer, you're just going to click this, and then of course have your Ethereum ready. So how you'll be able to make it ready in your case, just go to the pancake swap, and let's say you have a BNB or let's say a cake, and then look for an Ethereum pair. Okay, so just swap in here your cake into an Ethereum or stuff, and then click it. Okay, and just confirm the swap, and just paste a small amount of BNB. And now when you have an Ethereum, okay, you can be able to participate inside this platform. As you can see here, there are more than four Ethereum that is being inside the platform, which is more likely around let's say $16,000. I'm not sure, because this is pretty much early, and this is just getting started. But you need to approve this first for you to be able to do that. And I'm showing you right now how to do it. And then let's just really wait for like few more seconds, and it will be pretty much good to go after that. So you will be able to see from zero, I do have a current Ethereum wallet. So that 0.012 is actually $50, guys. Okay, so let's now do this. I will be putting the Ethereum here. So in what do you call that? In 0.012 Ethereum, you can now buy more than 3,758 printers. So we're just going to compound this, and then just pay a small gas fee. I hope I still have some for transaction fees. So let me just continue this. Okay. So let's just wait for a few more seconds. So as you can see here, it says more money printed. So it is being put here. So you're just going to refresh this, okay, or just wait for a few more minutes so that it will be reflected, because currently it is not yet into the platform. So it takes some time, but definitely you will be able to earn daily here 6%. Now there's also cake farm, so you'll be able to join here. There are more than 293 cake invested inside this platform, and also there are some plans here. Again, this is not a financial advice. Always invest what you can afford to lose, guys. So just approve it like what I've done in Ethereum mining, Ethereum printer rather, in Moneyprinter Finance. And you'll be able to get this. So 3% forever on plan 1, 40% to 100% ROI on plan 2, 60 days to 140% ROI on plan 3, and 90 days 315% ROI in in plan 4. Okay, so each of these has a minimum investment of 0.05 K. And I think this one is really awesome, because it will actually help you. I mean this is more like yield farming style, okay? And being this platform like working like since day one, I think it is a big sign for us, or for those people who are pretty much looking to have some alternatives to put some of their baskets here. But again, this is not a financial advice. I still consider this as a high risk, high reward, but of course, always invest what you can afford to lose as well. So this is everything that I will be creating into this video. Do not forget to subscribe into my channel, It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update, and see you on the next video.